another day, another vlog. So today, you alright my friend? So mate. So today we're going to change my tyres on this baby cakes. Obviously, I'm taking you with me. Why not? We're just vlogging on a moped. So yeah, we're gonna put fresh tyres on this before Isle of Man. Or after, I can't lie, I've got so many videos to catch up on. Or whichever way. So yeah, we're gonna be doing tyres today, boys. We're waiting for the pop. Whee! I love this bike so much. What's that? Another moped? Sounds like thunder. Woo, yeah. Can't lie, boys, I love this bike, man. Going for his Road 6s. Right now I've got some Kenders or whatever they are. I don't even know what they are, boys. I got the bike like that. I don't know, I think I nearly had the bike for about a year now. Yes, alright my friend, you can go through, no problem. But yeah, like I don't know, like they're basically toasted already. Quiet boys then, sorry boys. So yeah, they're kind of like finished already, so I thought I don't know what to go for, you know what I mean. I've read a couple of like reviews on what tyres are the best and whatever. I can't remember what the tyres were called. It was like they're meant to be really good for like, I don't know what tyres are, but long story short, in the rain it's saying it was clapped out. And obviously Road 6 is like the best ones for both and all sorts of conditions and all weathers and whatever you want to call it. So yeah, we're just going for Road 6s. On the way to get him changed now, because these, like I said, these are toasted. Alright my French, these are alright. So yeah man, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe as well. Gareth, he likes it, I like it too my French. But yeah, I don't know man, I can't remember what tyres I was looking at. I was looking at a couple of them. I'm sure it's Pirellis I was looking at. Quite a few of them, but mainly I was trying to do it for what I need it for, because I'm not really like a straight long distance rider. Well, I am, but sit up, like, do you know what I mean? Sit up, I like to hit the corners and everything. And then, like I said, I'm hoping the weather towards the Isle of Man is going to be good. But it's alright, we're going to be prepared anyway. We're going to take my full gear. Like I said, if we get there, we'll just change to something like this, and we'll just make a good time, good vibes, boys, all the good stuff. Well, mainly, like I said, I'm just trying to just sort the tyres out, man, because like I said, these are class. I've got like a nail in it. Then brother, she's pulling a handbrake, she scared me. No, I'm joking, boys, but yeah, I had like a nail in it. I took it out and I was flat. These are finished anyway, I can't lie, these tyres are finished. If you've been watching the videos, you've seen what I've been doing. It's definitely more than time to, whoa, we get rid of him. What the fuck? My bike just switched off, bro. That was weird. What the flip was that about? It's done that before though. That was weird. Wow. I was like, yo, did I run out of fuel or what? No way, boys. I think that cable there just catches it and it just switches off. It happened to me before, like on a traffic light. I was going through and the light went red. So also, as I went through afterwards, it just cut off. I was like, what? Madness that is. I'll have to yeah, that was weird anyway, boys. Completely delete me what I was talking about. I was talking about tyres, but yeah, you get what I'm trying to say anyway, boys, girls, aunties, smoggers, all the good people watching. That was mad though. I was like, yo, what's going on with the bike? But yeah, this is damn wise, man. Anything and everything happens, we don't plan, we just do things. That's it, simple as that. Hold on. No, it didn't go. Out, bros, please. Leave the eyes open. I just came here, it's not even open. I'll be stress. Press the bell for attention. Hello there. I came to read your meter. You alright, my friend? Please leave. Don't know what that's saying. Imagine bro's not even in. That'd be stress. Oh, much it. Alright, pal, I've got my bike for tyres for 2 o'clock. Hello there.
Oh yeah, I'll be with you literally in 10 minutes, mate. I've just literally had to pop out.
No worries, mate. That's fine. No problem, mate.
I'll see you in a minute.
Cheers, pal. Alright, my friend. Woo! Boys, I can't lie. I was trying to get the video and also inside, but also the guy was like, I don't really want it. Whatever, it's cool though, no problem, I get it. Some people are not comfortable, it is what it is. But listen, I want to say, yeah, I can't believe how much different it feels. Like, I can't lie. It's like I just discovered a new flipping new map or something. Like, I feel mad different. Like, the bike just goes by itself now. The way it just swings in. I can't lie, I had some Kenders, that's what they were. Some clapped out tyres, but I can't lie, that's how I got the bike. I've only had the bike, not even a year yet. But I thought, you know what, boys, we're going on a big trip. We're going to change them. We are going to change them. So yeah, man, like I said, big difference already. I feel like I'm sat up a bit more. Like the way it just turns, sticking is, but I can't lie, also the tyres are fresh. Trying to get like comfortable with them, finding the limit, you know what I mean, boys? Before just seen, nasty. Break them in a bit, but like I said, the bike it just leans by itself now. Like, I think the other tyres, I was kind of comfortable with them, do you know what I mean? I adjusted to them. There was dead quality, but for me, like, I can't lie, I pushed the limit out of them. And I mean, I pushed the limit out of them. Well, these though, like I said, they're fresh, so I want to take my time a bit. I need some fuel as well. Well, yeah, man, so like I keep saying, I know I keep saying it, but I'm looking forward to going to Ireland, man. So she's had a new oil change, all the good stuff. We're still good for valve clearance. They're meant to be good for like 27k. So we've still got, yeah, man, we've still got like another 10k to go. So that's probably later on we'll do the full shebang. But like I said, just the main bits, tyres. Like I said, tyres are the most important thing for me. So I got on a big trip, and obviously over there you can do legal speed limits, do you know what I mean? And I just wanted something proper, like proper tyres, you know what I mean, boys? Looking forward to it. Obviously, if this is one of the first videos that you lot seen, head over to the channel, subscribe, comment. Oh yeah, I just had to do it. I just felt like doing it. But yeah, sorry. Like, share, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff. If this is one of the videos, I can't get my words out. If this is one of your first videos that you see, listen, go on my channel, have a look at the mopeds I've been riding. I just ride mopeds, good vibes only, groups and all the good stuff. So yeah, man, come join the channel, have some fun, laugh and whatever you want to call it. Craziness, everything, always good vibes. But yeah, these are very nice. We're stuck in traffic, boys. I'm gonna have to join these lot. Like, hello, how are you? You want to race? I hope you got your tyres changed. I can't lie, I thought the battery was buckling then, that's why it stopped. Toast. Well yeah, I know I keep saying it, but I can't believe how impressed I am by these tyres though. Like the way it just swings to the side, it just does it by itself. Autopiloting, innit? Craziness. Like I think with the other ones here, the Kender tyres, I felt like I had to kind of force it, where these are just like they're doing it by themselves. It's very nice, very nice. I know, there's something new tyres. Leave me alone, boys, girls, aunties. Margaret's all the good people watching. He wasn't watching, bro, was chilling. But yeah, it's a good feeling though. Yeah, brother. I want to start cutting through, I can't lie. Why are you flashing, bro? Both stressing out. Right, I can see you. There's like plenty of space. Brother's like, Don't worry, my friends. I shall see you. Brother, green light. Come on, man. Double clutch that XF. I'm joking. I can't lie. I can't get bored of this bike. Brother, let me go past. Cheers, my French. Go Power Rangers. I need a drink, bad as well. Can't lie. So we need fuel, we need a drink. We're getting there, we're getting there. We're going back in a while. Don't wait. But I was gonna say a quick one. I think when I lean a little bit too much, I can feel the front wheels going a bit. I'm like, oh god, I need to remember, brother, you got fresh Ciallinis on this. Take your time, yeah. So yeah, I just keep forgetting. I can't lie. I just get absolutely excited on this moped. Just so good though. I can't lie. These are so good. What even is that? Leap motor. Oh, wait, don't be scared, it's okay. I can smell the fuel. Because we got no fuel. We got nothing left, boys. It's stress. I can't lie, we'll fill her up. Be ready for Island, man. But yeah, I hope you've seen all videos. Like I say, go over the channel, click on the icon or whatever that thing's called. We've got all my videos there. Like them all. Hold on, green light. Hey, brother, stay there. Go through them all. We're just squeezing through, boys. I'm kind of scared because the tyres, man. I just want to go shoo, but I don't want to go shoo on the floor. Don't be scared. Moped French. Brother, come brother. He's coming, look. See that? I'm guiding him. Brother, follow me. I know the way. I thought brother was talking to me. Oh, no. I thought he was talking to me. I was about to flick me visor up, lad. Bike sounds so good. I know I keep saying it, but if you lot could hear this in 5K right now, yeah? 5D, sorry. Rumbles your nipples. Whee! So I'm saying, boys, she does sound hell good. I'm gonna go that way, my friends. Okay, yeah, alright, my friends. I was trying to squeeze through, man. Some of these doing these here, my friends. Go on, go on. Oh my god, brother. So yeah, this is just like one of them. No, brother, what are you doing? Oh, I'm gonna go in your lane then, my friends. You go in that lane, I'll go in your lane, okay? Okay, brother, he just kicks it. Oh my god, there's a no bus there. He's pulling that too. Oh my god, this guy's going over the shop. It's alright, my friends. You trying to take over, take over, no problem. I'm doing the same thing. Nastiness, boys. Plop, 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 plop. Oh man, I can smell barbecue or something. That smells good. I can't lie. Brother, look at me. I look like not a woman. I just meant to say, hold on, the reflection of myself. I don't know if the camera's picking up, but I feel like I'm a Power Ranger right now. Yeah. Oh, we've got a moped. Stay there, brother. Honestly, if I just glide, she just wants to turn by herself. Oh yeah, very dangerous. Yeah, yeah. Come on, ladies, cross the road. Nah, she ain't feeling it. She's kind of stressed out. Baby cakes. She ain't trying to hear me, bro. Let's watch. Yeah, the traffic's class. Like I say, I don't know how long this video is here, but I hope all my Frenchists and all the good people watching, I hope you like it. I can't lie, I know it's a short one. I don't even know how long it's going to be, man. Probably like a couple of minutes here, but I'm sorry, boys. I'm sorry, man. Wish I could keep it longer. Just a short day today. I'm trying to do preparations for Isla of Mana, yeah? So, I hope you like it. Comment, subscribe, all the good stuff. I'll see you guys on the next one. Okay? Okay.